Welcome friends. Today I discuss about turgor pressure and wall pressure. These two pressures, that means turgor pressure and wall pressure, are important in plant physiology. It involves in plant water absorption. Let us discuss about turgor pressure. When a cell is immersed in water, then water enter into the cell because osmotic pressure of the cell sap is high. The cell content press upon the wall or develop a pressure against the cell wall, which is called turgor pressure. Turgor pressure is not applicable for free solution. This is only applicable for osmotic system. Turgor pressure is also known as hydrostatic pressure. The turgor pressure is counterbalanced by an equal but opposite pressure of the thick cell wall on the enclosed solution or protoplasm, which is known as wall pressure. Let us discuss about the effect of turgor pressure in cell. Wall pressure and turgor pressure are equal to each other, but wall pressure is inward in direction. So wall pressure equals to turgor pressure. Plant cell does not burst when placed in a pure water due to wall pressure, but a animal cell burst when placed in pure water because wall pressure is absent due to absence of cell wall. The consequence of endosmosis on the animal cell can be demonstrated by placing red blood cell of human blood in distilled water contained in a dish. When examined after some time, the red blood cells are found to burst, leaving their cell membranes as empty cases. The flaccid cell has zero turgor pressure. The highest value of turgor pressure is found in fully turgid cell and it is equal to the osmotic pressure. Fully turgid cell has osmotic pressure equals to turgor pressure. Let us discuss about various important facts about turgor pressure. The value of turgor pressure normally ranges from 0 to 1 in plant cell. The value of turgor pressure is assumed as negative during plasmolysis of the cell. When a cell placed in pure water or hypotonic solution, water enters into the cell, turgor pressure develops in the cell. The cell starts swelling due to turgor pressure. There is no flow of water in a turgid cell because the cell is in equilibrium condition with water, which is present outside the cell. Turgor pressure is known as pressure potential. It is shown by positive sign. In case of flaccid cell, turgor pressure is zero. It means pressure potential is zero. Here is a picture that shows turgid cell and flaccid cell. In case of turgid cell, water enters by osmosis, vacuole swells and pushes against cell wall. In case of flaccid cell, water lost from cell, vacuole shrinks, cell loses shape. There are some significance of turgor pressure in plant life. The protoplasm of the cell attached with the cell wall is due to turgidity of the cell and cell is in stretched condition. It maintains the normal shape of the cell in which physiological processes are going on. The spatial 3D structure of mitochondria, chloroplast, and microbodies is maintained due to turgor pressure, which is essential for their physiological activities. Turgor pressure is essential for maintaining definite shape of delicate organs. Here some other significance of turgor pressure. Turgor pressure helps in cell elongation or growth of cell. Plant movements like movement of guard cells of stomata, wilting movements and seismonostic movements are dependent upon turgor pressure change. Turgor pressure provides essential power to the plumuli for coming out from the soil and help in penetration of radicle into the soil. Here is a diagram that shows stoma opening and stoma closing that is controlled by guard cells. And in another diagram, there shows turgor pressure is related in animal and plant cell.